हेलो हाय आदाब और सत श्री अकाल और एक बार फिर से आ गया हूँ मैं आप लोगों के बीच आपका हमराज आरजे अब्रम 90.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज कम्युनिटी रेडियो ज्ञान वाणी यानी कि ज्ञान की वाणी पर दोबारा से लेकर आया हूँ आपका फेवरेट शो नो योर फैकल्टी। जैसा कि आपको पता है, इस शो में हम किसी एक स्कूल से, एक डिपार्टमेंट से एक फैकल्टी को बुलाते हैं, उन्हें इनवाइट करते हैं और उनसे कुछ सवालात करते हैं, ना सिर्फ उनके बारे में बल्कि उनकी टीचिंग स्टाइल के बारे में, उनकी ज्वाइनिंग के बारे में और उनकी फिलॉसफी क्या रही है लाइफ में और किस तरीके से उन्हें नई नई चीज़ें जानने को मिली हैं, सीखने को मिली और किस तरह से वो अपने टीचिंग मेथड को अप्लाई करते हैं। और एक और ऐसी शख्सियत हैं हम लोगों के साथ, हम लोगों के बीच, जो कि हैं स्कूल ऑफ फार्मेसी से और जिनका नाम है मिस्टर सचिन मारुति कोकाटे। उनके बारे में मैं आपको कुछ बातें बताता हूं और उसके बाद करेंगे सर से कुछ सवालात। मिस्टर सचिन मारुति कोकाटे, अ डिस्टिंग्विश्ड प्रोफेशनल इन द फार्मास्यूटिकल एंड हेल्थ केयर realm. Currently, he holds the position of assistant professor at D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, where he imparts his wealth of knowledge and experience. Mr. Kokate's journey includes notable roles as a warehouse manager, supply chain manager, and a medicinal manager in leading organizations, reflecting his expertise in technology, management, and leadership. His ability to anticipate challenges, perform effectively under pressure, and manage finances has been instrumental in his career. Beyond his professional accomplishments, Mr. Kokate has earned recognition through awards, certificates, and an impressive record of research publications and presentations. His commitment to advancing the field is evident through his contribution to the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. We are delighted to have Mr. Sachin Maruti Kokate with us today, a distinguished professional who has made a lasting impact in his field. And especially, sir, good morning. How are you? Very warm welcome here in Know Your Faculty.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to everyone. I am Mr. Sachin Kokate here today to share with the knowledge of pharmacy.
जी, तो सर सवालात करता हूँ और सवालात का एक सिलसिला शुरू करता हूँ जिससे हम शुरुआत करते हैं। What are the primary responsibilities of a pharmacist in a healthcare setting and how have they evolved over time? सबसे पहले आप ही की फील्ड से कुछ सवाल।
So pharmacy sector is quite large with respect to the worldwide we can see, and nowadays it's evolving day by days over the time. While they still manage the pharmacy environment and oversees the dispensing, and their focus is now includes the review of the prescriptions for their therapeutic appropriateness, and the medication reconciliations, right? So medication reviews.
Okay.
So because there are a lot of medicines nowadays which are there in the picture or in the competition. So because that's the reason we need to have that care planning according to the types of the patients.
Yes, definitely.
Right. So, and their complete monitoring of that patient is also required. So that is a very critical role of the pharmacist with respect to that.
Okay. Nicely explained, sir.
Yeah.
दूसरा क्वेश्चन रखता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What role do pharmacists play in patient counseling and why is it essential for effective medication management?
So firstly, the counseling part is come to the pharmacist to understand, the dose regimen. We termed as a posology.
Okay.
So why to take, when to take, what are the frequency of that dosage. At that time, patients has to get their effectiveness. So according to that, the education of this dosage regime needs to be given properly to the patients. And their regular follow-ups as far as their effectiveness in the medications, that should be addressed by the pharmacist.
जी.
So that care has been taken by the healthcare team.
ओके. क्वेश्चन सर क्वेश्चन निकलते हैं, इसलिए एक बार और भी बात आई है क्वेश्चन वाली वो ये कि अब ऐसे में फार्मासिस्ट क्या करते हैं, क्योंकि आप ठीक है काउंसल तो कर रहे हो पेशेंट्स के और कई बार ऐसे पेशेंट होते हैं तो जिद्दी है या वो बहुत इरिटेट हो रहा है, उसको नहीं मिल रहा है असर, वो कहता है कि नहीं मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा, दवाएं तो आपने भर के दे दी, फायदा तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, तो इरिटेट भी हो जाता है, मना भी कर देता है, टाइम पर दवा भी नहीं खा रहा है और उसके बाद आपसे कभी झगड़ वगड़ भी लेता, तो ऐसे में कैसे मतलब काउंसिल करते हैं, ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस?
इन सच केसेस हमें पेशेंट्स को थोड़ा हमदर्दी से बताना पड़ता है व्हाई दिस ऑल द टीम इज फॉर यू टू बेटरमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ. फर्स्ट थिंग, सो बीइंग ए हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल, ये हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि उनको उसका जानकारी देना उस दवाई का. और उसका जो टाइमलाइंस होता है वो मिस ना हो. जैसे कि हम बात करें जैसे कि डायबिटीज सेगमेंट होता है,
ओके.
कार्डियक सेगमेंट होता है, वहाँ पे टाइम का काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस होता है.
डेफिनेटली.
Once you
टाइम
miss
टू
the
टाइम
dose,
आपको मेडिकेशन लेना
वहाँ
है.
पे इफ यू मिस द डोज आपका जो लेवल ऑफ द हार्मोन्स विल राइज अप.
शुगर बढ़ा घटा ये
Yes,
सब
so it's impact on a
Definitely on your
life
body.
of that patient. So in such a critical condition हमें उनको हुक एंड क्रुक करके वो देना ही पड़ता है.
ओके ओके. तो कई बार मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता है, इरिटेट हो गए,
Yes,
बहुत
irritated,
परेशान
because
हो
some
रहे हैं,
of the
पर क्या
patients
करें.
like anxiety वाले patients, psychiatric patients, डिमेंशिया वाले पेशेंट जहाँ पे उनको याददाश्त ही नहीं रहती है.
ओह यस.
मुझे दवाई लेनी है. सो इन सच केसेस हमें उनको रिमाइंडर्स देने पड़ते हैं. सो दिस विल हेल्प टू रिकवर देयर डिसीज कंडीशंस.
ओके, सही है सर. नाइसली
Yeah,
एक्सप्लेन्ड
yeah,
सर. हालांकि इसमें बहुत पेशेंस की ज़रूरत है, स्पेशली
Yes.
जैसे कि आपने कहा है.
ऑल टीम मस्ट बी देयर, दे आर वर्किंग फॉर देम.
बिल्कुल.
या
सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट आर सम इमर्जिंग रोल्स फॉर फार्मासिस्ट इन हेल्थ केयर सच एज इन क्लिनिकल रिसर्च और पब्लिक हेल्थ इनिशिएटिव्स.
So nowadays, the pharmacy is playing a role in every sector of the medicines, as well as in the hospitals, as well as in the toxicology.
Especially
sections.
after 2020, the corona
Yes, because
period and all.
post-COVID situation
Post-COVID.
is all people are demanding expertise in the health segments.
Yes.
Service industry, we can say.
Yes.
Everyone wants the good clinical approaches. Everyone are quite much aware of their health
Yes, yes, definitely.
as compared to
At least now they are aware.
yes. So for that matter, the role of pharmacies are come into the picture,
Definitely.
because we are also the part of the service industry of the health and wellness. You must have aware about the diabetes educator,
Yes.
Counselors.
Yes. About your
know.
thyroid, they're checking. Yeah, checking your
So all
blood day by day.
labs, all clinical labs, pathology labs, they are running on this, their services. How to improve their services with respect to the awareness.
Awareness.
So the pharmacy is also playing an important role to create an awareness of the health, as well as to give them the proper results of their pathology through the services.
सही है. Great,
Yeah.
sir. Okay. What are the ethical consideration pharmacists face in their daily practice, and how do they address them? Especially if we talk about the ethics.
Yes,
The moral.
when the part we talk about the ethics, it depends and it varies from person to person. First thing, because it's a combination of, we can say, common sense. A lot of common sense must be required. Official guidelines,
Okay.
which
Yes.
is given by the
Code and
regulatory,
conduct especially, और जो
Yes,
आप
regulatory
oath पे
aspects.
लेकर एक चलते हैं, especially
Yes.
जो nobility.
rules and regulations by the FDA or the local authorities.
Yes.
It is given. Professional obligations are there, and we can say autonomy, professional autonomy. So these are the very crucial areas through which pharmacist has to take a decision. So is that decision with respect to or with favor to the patient at that time? So that is very important. Suppose if I'm giving just example, if I'm a pharmacist and I had a patient in front of me, he is suffering a severe chest pain,
Okay.
and in that condition, that patient needs to be admitted to the hospital
Correct.
at that moment only. But there is no any kind of such a facilities available. So in such a condition, pharmacist needs to identify that the condition of the patient, that patient needs to be moved from that place to the hospital. Immediately,
Yes.
without interfering of the any rules and regulations and obligations.
Definitely.
Or the status of the pharmacist.
Yes. Yes.
Like मैं pharmacist हूँ, मुझे उसको उठा के admit ही करना है. That is the serious condition.
Correct.
वहाँ मुझे मेरा रोल नहीं ये करना है.
देखना
नहीं,
है,
मैं
या-
तो pharmacist, मैं क्यों उसको उठाऊँ?
Oh, हाँ.
Likewise.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So that ambiguity must not be there. So that is the service to the humanity.
Oh, yes. Definitely.
That must be on a top priority.
Nicely explained,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Very well. Okay. What is the pharmacist's role in promoting health awareness, education, and disease prevention in the community? That is a important
So
one.
the pharmacist's role is again the awareness and education and the disease prevention. So first, if you aware or educate to the group of
People,
people,
especially.
then the disease will definitely will not come up with that extent. First thing. So by promoting mass publications of that awareness to the society, or we can say to develop the prevention and control, that kind of strategy must be there. Like for the
From
chronic
time to time, actually,
diseases.
you are having the camps,
Yes,
blood
camps,
donations,
donation
the
camps.
thyroid
More
checking,
specifically for
checkups,
the cancer like diseases,
cancer like diseases.
chronic diseases we can say, जहाँ पे हमें ये काफी देर तक चलती है, and the death rate also is on a higher side,
Is on the highest.
and day by day it's in increasing conditions. So in such a cases we need to aware the society. And then second, we can say about the safety efforts by the communities or the institutes. Like there are various NGOs, they are working on it to aware
Yes.
such kind of programs.
Yes, definitely.
Right. So that can be implemented to get those awareness and education.
Yes.
Like
Even
the-
actually by this show, definitely.
Yes, by
we
this
can do
channel
it by
also
the.
we are
Yes.
awareing the community.
We are aware and definitely.
Like in the
communities.
pandemics, the awareness started from to wear the mask, to sanitize,
Oh,
the
yes.
sanitization program that has been come to the governments to implement in the end
Especially by the,
users.
yes, definitely NGO
So
hai,
all
magazines,
these
televisions,
magazines,
audios,
news
radios.
channels, radios. So all these channels are helping to aware and educate
Yes.
for the chronic diseases, and like disease like diabetes, hypertension.
Thyroid, even it's definitely.
Yes, thyroid
क्योंकि
also.
लोग- कई
Because
लोग उसके बारे
nowadays
में बात
it's
नहीं
very
करते हैं।
challenging to everyone to control on it.
और स्पेशली उन दो के साथ तो और प्रॉब्लम है जिनको डबल है, डायबिटीज भी और थायराइड भी.
Yes, because again it's increasing the ratios towards the obesity, and that is very challenging to the upcoming generations to control on it.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely. So last one question, and maybe actually we will improvise after that. How can pharmacists leverage technology such as telepharmacy or digital health tools to expand their reach and improve patient outcomes?
So nowadays, what happens? Suppose if the patient is on remote areas, so it's very difficult to get the medicines in that area by the local channels.
Okay.
Like हमारा wholesale होता है, retail होता है.
Definitely,
and then,
digital होता है.
the patient will come and get the medicines. But from these channels, telemedicines are into the picture, or moreover, personalized medicines. So from this channel, we are getting the medicines remotely by ordering through the like we order the food from the Swiggy.
Oh, definitely, like the Swiggy, Zomato,
We
आजकल
get the
जैसे
orders
Blinkits आए
from
for
the Netmaze or the apps like
even pharmacy.
Pharmacy is also there. So they are the upcoming channels through which the patient gets the medicines.
Nice.
But there are some loopholes. We can say advantage and disadvantages of this practice.
Yes, definitely.
But for the we take the positive approaches of it, and to get the benefits to the patient at that emergency situation, he get the medicines, appropriate medicines
Okay,
through the verified channels, through the pharmacist.
definitely yes.
So these are very important aspects where this artificial
Intelligence, especially
intelligence
AI,
are
which actually
playing
came into
the
the
role.
scene after
Yes.
2020.
So these are the positive aspects where the patients are well known कि बाबा मैं क्या खा रहा हूँ, कब से खा रहा हूँ. The history of that medication is also reflected to the doctors. When doctors ask कि बाबा आपने last time कौन सा दवाई खाया था,
Yes, yes.
so doctor will get complete review कि बाबा patient ने क्या क्या consume किया. So what kind of medication he or she must has to prescribe
Yes.
for the disease betterment.
Yes. एक और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है सर जो मेरे दिमाग में इसके बाद आया है. स्पेशली क्या होता है छोटी मोटी बीमारियों में तो ठीक है कि चलो ठीक है, खांसी है, जुकाम है, बुखार है, तो लोग जाके दुकान से दवा ले लेते हैं,
Correct.
मेडिकल से डायरेक्टली ले लेते हैं. एक्चुअली दे डोंट नीड एनी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर दैट.
Correct.
बट डू यू थिंक स्पेशली आल्सो इन द अदर डिसीज लाइक द थायराइड और डायबिटीज एंड स्पेशली कई बार क्या होता है कि जो पेशेंट्स हैं वो अपने घर के पास गए दुकान से बिना डॉक्टर के प्रेस्क्राइब किए वो दवा ले ली. सो इज इट करेक्ट और इज इट रिस्की? What's your
So
thought on
here
it?
the
Do they consult with pharmacist?
correct. So here the pictures come into the, because nowadays this practice is tremendously followed by the society,
People
where
maybe
they are not
searching it on the internet or something like that.
where they are bypassing the doctors, because they don't have that clinical interventions or the clinical background of that disease, as well as the complete profile of that medication.
Yes.
So without knowing that, the people are consuming such kind of medications, and again they are arising with the new complications by taking such medications.
Definitely.
So this is very risky, and they will arise some other kind of challenges to the patients.
Definitely. Maybe disadvantages or effects on your body.
For the category of young generations, female candidates, where they are unknowingly taking the medications,
Oh yes.
that increase or fluctuate the levels of hormones.
Definitely.
So that is the irregularity in their patterns of
Menstrual cycle and all.
yes, all the challenges are coming into the picture. The consumption of the food, because nowadays the food pattern is also changed, and there is no kind of control on it, or safety measure we can say.
Oh yes, definitely.
That should be taken care by their own, because our health is our own priority.
Yes.
Doctor will not going to help you. They will help you up to certain conditions, but beyond that, the patient has to take care himself.
Oh yes, definitely.
That's the basic summary.
Alright sir, thank you so much that actually you came here. और आज हम लोगों के साथ थे सचिन मारुति कोकाटे सर, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत ही खूबसूरती से और स्पेशली अपने ज्ञान के अनुसार जवाब दिए स्पेशली, और आप लोगों को जागरूक किया था. डेफिनेटली बने रहिए हम लोगों के साथ नो योर फैकल्टी में. आप लोगों के पास जल्दी और भी शोज लेकर आएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.